Are you looking for a tried and tested investment strategy that's simple to execute and also helps to reduce the risk of market changes? What if I told you that the legendary investor Warren Buffett himself recommends this strategy? Well, lucky for us, it's actually in existence, and we'll be diving deep into the world of dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a powerful approach that can help you to maximize your investment returns over time. Hey everyone, if you're new to the channel, my name is Neil and I run Roundup Save with my wife Jenna. We're all about helping to demystify money so we can build wealth that lasts. If that sounds like something that's interesting to you, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel so we can learn together. So what exactly is dollar cost averaging? Well, as we mentioned earlier, it's a technique that involves consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the current market conditions. And this method allows you to spread your investments over time, reducing the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. So let's take a look at an example to understand the benefits of dollar cost averaging. So imagine that you have $1,000 to invest every month in an index fund. By investing the same amount each month, you buy more shares when the market is down and fewer shares when the market is up. This helps you to lower your average cost per share over time, which can lead to better overall returns. So why exactly is Warren Buffett such an advocate of this strategy? Simply put, it's been shown to work well in yielding good returns in the long run, especially for those who don't have the time or inclination to actively manage their own investments. And in Warren Buffett's own words, if you like spending 6 to 8 hours per week working on investments, then do it. But if you don't, then dollar cost average into index funds. So how can you implement dollar cost averaging in your own investment strategy? Let's break it down step by step. Research and selection. So first, thoroughly research and select the stocks or funds that you want to invest in. Focus on well-established companies or index funds with a history of solid performance. And it's going to be essential to diversify your investments across various sectors and asset classes to reduce risk and achieve a balanced portfolio. So the next would be to determine your investment amount. Next, take a close look at your finances and determine how much money you can comfortably invest at regular intervals. And this amount should be within your budget without straining your day-to-day expenses or emergency fund. Remember, the key to dollar cost averaging is consistency. So ensure that you can maintain the chosen amount throughout your investment journey. Set your investment frequency. So decide on the frequency of your investments, whether that's weekly, monthly, or quarterly, and the frequency you choose will entirely depend on your personal preferences, also your financial goals and your cash flow. So keep in mind that the more frequent you make these investments, that can help you to better capitalize on market fluctuations and average out your purchase cost over time. Automate your investments. To make dollar cost averaging even more effective, consider automating your investments through a brokerage account or investment platform. I'm personally a fan of Charles Schwab, and I've been using Charles Schwab for probably about 5 years now. Every couple of weeks, I have money just automatically flowing into an index fund. And automatic investing plans, they can really help you to stay on track with your predetermined schedule, which really makes it easier for you to remain consistent in the long run and avoid the temptation to time the market. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your investments to ensure that they still align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As you gain experience or your financial situation changes, you also may need to adjust your investment amount or the assets you're investing in. Don't hesitate though to make these changes if they'll help you stay on track to achieve your financial objectives. By following these steps, you can effectively implement dollar cost averaging in your investment strategy. And this approach helps you to stay disciplined, as well as mitigate the impact of market volatility and ultimately build a more resilient portfolio in the long run. Who doesn't want that? All right, let's wrap up. So dollar cost averaging is a powerful investment strategy that helps you to manage the risk of market fluctuations and avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market. By following these approaches, you can build a strong portfolio over time and potentially reap the rewards of long-term investment success. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.